Guys, I've gotten hold of the man of the hour, Siddharth Maheshwari, who's the co-founder here at Newton School of Technology. So the first doubt that I have gotten from the students, Delhi jaye ki Pune jaye ki Bangalore jaye, so what would you say to them? Yes. What is the degree that the students will get here on this campus? Now, I'm going to be addressing the elephant in the room. This question again has been asked by your future students. This video is going to be very special to my heart. See guys, back in 2023, I was the first person to tour the Delhi NCR campus. Last year in 2024, I was the first person to tour their Pune campus. And in 2025, this year, I am the first person to tour their Bangalore campus. Yes guys, you guessed it right. I am outside Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus. And today I have the whole day here to spend. So I will give you a tour of their classrooms, the labs, hostels, each and everything. Without any further ado, let's get started. Come with me. Just like with all of their campuses, this campus is again filled with greenery across. You can see multiple buildings and let me explain you what those buildings are. Firstly, let me be honest with you and tell you that Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus was heavily demanded on my YouTube channel and I'm glad that I'm the first person to tour it. Right now, a lot of the things are not fully ready yet, but in some time from now or in some days from now or by the time that you join the campus, everything will be top notch and will be fully ready. As far as the location of NST Bangalore is concerned, it is located in Electronic City, which means that it is very flexible to Koramangala area. At the same time, again, Electronic City is filled with a lot of the offices of really good companies and tech giants, which again is very easy and flexible for you people to visit those companies. At the same time, guys, to be honest, such green, vibrant campus, that too in the heart of Electronic City, is not a very easy find. So I feel NST has gotten really lucky with the campus. Now let me give you a tour of the other things. Come with me. I think one of the things that comes in the Bangalore package is going to be this amazing weather. Like, it's been windy throughout. You can see me wearing a jacket, but trust me guys, I'm doing justice to my jacket because it's so windy and breezy. It just rained some time back. Way to the counseling room because counseling has already started. For all you people who already joined the Bangalore campus, you would know about it. Ta-da! Welcome to the academic block here at Newton School of Technology. Now this complete building is where the magic into education is going to happen. So all your classrooms, various labs, all of those things are going to be in this building. The version that you see right now is not the final version because this is going to be completely revamped into Newton School of Technology's colors. So all the blues and everything you will see and this is going to become fab. Ta-da! Welcome to the classroom here at Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus. By the way guys, the version that you're seeing here is not the final version. This thing is going to have a complete 360 turnaround and you're going to see the furniture changing, the colors changing, all of those things. And obviously, you will have all the modern infrastructure that you need. Now guys, as far as the degree is concerned, you will be pursuing a BSc in Computer Science with specializations in Artificial Intelligence, Robotics and Tech Entrepreneurship. Now guys, this is one amongst the many classrooms here in the academic block. Some of the classrooms are going to have a smaller size, some of them are going to have a very big size, some of them are going to have like group classrooms where multiple people can study together. So I'm really excited to see what all new things are going to come up super soon. Okay guys, I've come to the first floor of the academic block. This is where you have a lot of your classrooms, but along with the classrooms, there'll be multiple labs and some very special rooms. One of the rooms I'm going to give you a tour of, so come with me. If you guys would have seen my campus show videos, then you know how much I love the auditoriums, the seminar halls, all of that. So yes guys, I'm going to take you to one of the seminar halls here at Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus. This has a huge seating capacity. This room will be used by you students for a lot of the cultural events. Along with that, a lot of the industry experts, the guest lectures, the seminars, the combined classes that will happen in this particular room itself. Okay guys, they have this outdoor terrace setup which the students can use to enjoy the weather of Bangalore. It's covered, so I again can be used for a lot of the things. But let me show you a good view. Ta-da! That's the view of the campus from the rooftop here. I'm pretty sure this is going to be one of the coolest student areas in the NST Bangalore campus. Oh my god, look at so much greenery around the campus, filled with trees across. For nature lovers, this is going to be a very cool spot on the campus. Guys, come to the second floor and let me actually tell you how you can join Newton School of Technology. Guys, as far as the admission process of Newton School of Technology is concerned, It's a very simple process. All you students need to go onto their website and fill in the application form. After that, all you students need to appear for NSAT, which is their own entrance examination test that you need to appear for. After that, all you students will be invited for a personal interview with the faculty members and the counseling session. Rest guys, all the details are put in the description of this video, so make sure you go check it out. Now let's find out other things on the campus. Come with me. You guys might be thinking it's some late evening or something like that, but no guys, it's just 2:30 right now. But oh my god, look at how the weather has completely changed. I mean, you know, just when I was entering the academy block to now, it feels like it's some late evening, but that's not the case. Now I'm going to take you to one of the very important areas on the campus, which is going to take care of your tummy, which is the mess area, so come with me. This is the mess area here at Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus, and this has huge amount of seating. To be honest, one of my favorite parts is the fact that it has a combination of both indoor and outdoor. Like, you know, you're seated in an indoor area, but because it's open from the sides, you can get the natural air, which again is very, very important. Guys, this is where you will be provided with 4 pure vegetarian healthy meals. So your breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner is going to be provided here. Management has very much confirmed to me that the food will be very homely in nature and it will be really healthy. Another very important part of this particular campus of Newton School of Technology is the residential facility, which is compulsory for all the students. Guys, this is a full-time residential program for 4 years, and you have residential facility both for boys and for girls, and the bed capacity is 1000, which is huge. So now come with me. Let me give you a tour of the hostel here at Newton School of Technology. By the way, I will just be touring the demo room right now, and you guys can come and select your own room later on, but come with me. Another very important thing to note here is that all the rooms are in double sharing occupancy. So you'll be sharing it either with another boy or another girl, depending whether you're going in the girls' hostel or the boys' hostel. No mixes happening, no. Okay, 0018. This is the room, so come with me. Alright guys, so this is how the room here at Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus looks like. To be honest, it's a very decent sized room. You have 2 beds here, 2 side tables here. Most importantly, study tables, because this is where you people will be building things in stealth. So, you know, you'll be coming to your room and building great things, which is great. Then you have a window and oh my god, guys, it has already started to rain. You need to see this. This is Bangalore, like just within minutes. Thank God I came inside, otherwise I would have gotten drenched. Along with that guys, each of the rooms will have their own washroom, separate washroom, but I'm not opening the washroom right now. So guys, this is a good size cupboard that you have. So this is great, and this is one person's cupboard. So like that, you know, you have 2 cupboards with drawers and everything like that. So all in all, the hostel rooms look really nice. The Bangalore weather, guys, is so goddamn unpredictable. One minute it is sunny, the other minute it is windy, the other minute it is raining. Oh my god. Now guys, I just came out of the hostel and I'm pretty sure by now you would have already judged the vibe on the campus. This is giving me very resort vibes with so much greenery and so much outdoor spaces, which again is really very good. Now guys, as far as the sports are concerned, which again is a very important part, you will have good amount of sports facilities because this is a residential campus, and in the evenings, you really need to have time for your sports. So you have the gyms and TTs and everything will be there. And I will be touring that the next time that I come on the campus, and those facilities are absolutely ready. Now guys, I'm going to make you meet a very important person. So come with me. Guys, I've gotten hold of the man of the hour, Siddharth Maheshwari, who's the co-founder here at Newton School of Technology. I'm pretty sure you would have seen him in my previous videos. Sid, first of all, thank you so much for having me here and allowing me to take a tour of the Bangalore campus. बच्चों की इतनी demand थी कवच भैया, please go tour the Bangalore campus, and I'm glad I've been finally able to do it. I'm going to ask you some questions that have been asked to me by your future students, but before that, देखो मैं whenever I tour anywhere, right, सब में से पूछते हैं कि भाई what's happening in Newton School of Technology? I mean, 3 years, 3 campuses. What's the vision? How many more campuses do you plan to open?
First of all, Kavach, welcome to the campus.
Thank you. Thank you.
In fact, I would put this question to you. You've been closely associated. You have talked to hundreds of our students. You are in touch with so many of students. You tell us what makes us stand out.
Okay, good question. If I like top of my mind, I think it's the student review. मतलब मैं बच्चों से जब बात करता हूँ, and I keep posting them, tell me what is it that you don't like. They're like, no, we love everything. The curriculum is great. अब तो बच्चों की इतनी internships लग गई हैं. So they're really happy with that. So I think that's the reason, and touchwood, that's the reason for the growth. So I'm really happy with that. But you haven't answered my question. How many more campuses do you plan to open?
So Kavach, matlab, our vision here is very clear. We are building something out, a very strong educational foundation. जहाँ से जो बच्चे निकल के जाएंगे, they will be the tech leaders of India. They will drive India and its economy forward. We want our students to go out and become tech entrepreneurs. We want them to, to become top researchers. We want them to become great employees with a very entrepreneurial mindset. चाहे वो Google में काम करे, चाहे छोटे स्टार्टअप में काम करे, चाहे खुद का स्टार्टअप करें. They should have that attitude and that skills कि they can do amazing work. So that's the vision, and that is why we want to be very cautious with our growth. We want to be able to focus on each and every student and it's his or her growth, and that's why you're seeing so great results. Now coming to Bangalore campus, honestly speaking, इसका तो मतलब हमको students से and industry से इतना pressure आया कि फ्लोर में खोलिए sir, and that's the reason we are standing here today. Student side, they love Bangalore. It's a IT hub. It's a place where most startups are born. It's the Silicon Valley of India, as simple.
Absolutely.
From industry side, what has been happening is our faculty and students work closely with the industry. In fact, they have taken up many projects from the industry where our students and faculty are delivering them. So, for example, there's a Dubai-based company whose entire product from scratch has got multi-million dollars funding. There's this Government of India funded project for the disadvantaged section that is being used by 25 crore Indians.
Wow.
That's the potential of that kind of project. अब ये सब के लिए industry wants us to be closer to them. So that is also another reason why we started off Bangalore.
Wow. Okay, let's sit because I have a few more questions again asked by your future students only. You can choose not to answer, but I'll be very brutally.
All questions I'll answer.
Okay, perfect. Great. Then thank you so much. बैठ जाते हैं. Okay. Sid, so the first doubt that I have gotten from the students is that now they're really confused कि Delhi जाए कि Pune जाए कि Bangalore जाए. So what would you say to them?
Yes. First of all, I can assure you, कहीं भी जाओ, you will get great faculty. You'll get great curriculum. You will be coding from day one. You will be building your projects out. You will be doing startups. You will be doing amazing things. But because we are standing in the Bangalore campus, let me talk a bit about the advantages that you will get in Bangalore. So Bangalore, one thing that is true about Bangalore is, the industry here is very dynamic. And the campus that we have started is inside the city. So you rarely find such a beautiful, large, green campus inside the city. It's very, very close to, all the Koramangala, HSR, Indranagar, Sarjapur, very close to them. And that is why we have designed a curriculum which is integrated with the industry. Matlab, you will have hundreds of founders coming here, interacting with you. They will be personally mentoring you. There's going to be an incubation center. यहाँ से कुछ startups भी बनने वाली हैं जो, that will go on to become huge companies later on. And what not? You will yourself go out. You can attend a class in the morning and then go and attend a hackathon in the evening. It's so easy by being inside this.
Correct. No, campus ko I'll give 10 on 10 for sure. Like, see, Bangalore as a city bhi bahut advantage de deti hai. This amount of greenery, like right now even when you're shooting, there's wind that is breezing, so it's amazing. And the campus looks really good. Plus with the new renders that I've seen, bahut hi sundar ban jayega once everything is complete. Now I'm going to be addressing the elephant in the room. This question again has been asked by your future students is regarding the degree. पहले तो आप मुझे ये बताओ, what is the degree that the students will get here on this campus?
So students will be getting two things. One, they will be pursuing a parallel degree from BITS Pilani, which is going to be a BS Computer Science 4 years degree. Second, they will be getting a certificate from Newton School of Technology. So these are the two things that they will be getting out once they graduate from it.
Okay. Now, Sid, I am not from a tech background, and I'm pretty sure parents might also not understand this nuance. So, agar you can very clearly differentiate between what is the difference between a BTech degree and a BSc degree, pros and cons of BTech, pros and cons of BSc, so that people are aware that whatever they're signing up for, they know what exactly they're getting.
So let me, be honest here and let me tell you that, this certainly a perception issue in India when it comes to BTech versus any other degree. But if I look at worldwide, it's basically whether you graduate from MIT or Stanford, it's the BS degree.
Okay.
So basically you're pursuing a 4-year BS or BSc degree. Okay. That's the degree you get. BTech is a very Indian phenomenon. Second, it's the reality today that skills matter much more than degree. And I don't need to talk more about it. Our students have proven it. So our first cohort, 93% of our students have got paid 6 months internship and are working with some of the top companies in the industry. Examples being Razorpay, Servam.ai, which is India's OpenAI, PhysicsWala, Ellen Digital, and many more companies. 3 of our students are interning with DRDO. So that's a kind of cutting edge of national security. 3 of our students, and I'm really proud of them, have opted out of internship to pursue advanced algorithmic research in just their second year. So here, I think skills speak much more than degree. Another example is, this year 5 of our first year students have been selected for Google Summer of Code. It's a very prestigious open source program where students contribute to some of the top, open source projects. In fact, some of them have been used by me in the past, and our students are going to basically work on those projects. It's so exciting. It also comes with a very good stipend of nearly 2.5 lakh rupees. So these kind of things are possible only and only if you have genuine skills, if you have the right attitude, and that is what we are inculcating at Newton.
No, I completely get it, Sid. And congratulations on so much success. But also tell me, like, suppose not today, I am planning to do a BSc degree.
Yeah.
Will I be at a disadvantage when it comes to me planning to pursue an MBA later, or maybe go US for my MS, or start something of my own? So, in comparison to a BTech, कोई मैं disadvantage में तो नहीं रहूँगा यार?
Absolutely no disadvantage, Kawaj. When it comes to studying abroad, all the options are open to you. In fact, I would say there's a slight advantage because the degree is going to be from BITS Pilani, which is a globally renowned university. Second, you talked about MBA. You can pursue it from anywhere in India, even the IIMs or any global, management school. Now, third, coming to the company part, you don't even need a degree for that.
That is correct.
In fact, the advantage of pursuing this here, and especially with a very flexible curriculum that we have designed, is that you will be visiting industry so often. Some of our incoming students of NST Bangalore had a trip in Bangalore recently organized by us, 3-day trips, where they visited likes of Apple, and at the same time they visited some of the deep tech companies like Ethereal Machines. They visited a very big drone company. They toured ISRO and got to know about all the projects.
Wait, you're talking about the students who have not even joined right now?
Yeah.
But they paid their fees, but abhi chalu nahi hai, so you've giving them all the opportunities right now only.
There was a trip organized in Bangalore for NSC students and some of our NSC Bangalore students.
Wow.
And this is going to happen as part of the curriculum itself. Curriculum is designed to be integrated with the industry. You will often go out, you will have, basically teachers, startup founders and big tech leaders coming to the campus, mentoring you, sitting here. So it's going to be an amazing experience for a student. It's going to be real growth, real great exposure that students are going to.
Great. Sid, I just have one last question. Now, here I was seeing this track system. You have tracks in AI, robotics, and entrepreneurship. So again, very clearly, if you could tell the students what's the difference and what's the upside for them looking at these tracks, what is it going to be?
Kawal, the Bangalore curriculum that we have designed is quite flexible, and we are also addressing the needs of the nation where talent is missing. So these 3 fields, if you look at it, we really need many more people. AI, robotics, and tech entrepreneurship. We want many of our students to be tech entrepreneurship. A student can pursue a specialization in tech entrepreneurship, but they will have to start a company while doing it. It's not going to be theory. It's going to be founders coming and talking to you, mentoring you, telling their experience, guiding you personally. So it's going to be much beyond coursework. And that's the advantage of, having the program that we have designed over here. Second, coming to AI, our aim is to, fill that gap which exists in India when it comes to AI engineers and AI scientists. If you look at it, there is, hardly any company comparable to the level of OpenAI. And for that to happen, we need the talent. And we want our students to be able to, become that. Third, robotics. Robotics is the future. You are going to see robots all around you in just a couple of years.
I think on this campus also a lot of them will come.
Absolutely. In 6 months, you will be seeing and students would be building out robots, walking here, things like that. So our aim is to build out that robotics talent which can go into work in robotics companies in India and even start their own companies. So that's our advantage. And all of these 3 specializations, these are not going to be theory based. These are not going to be relegated to coursework. These are going to be very hands-on, where you have to build things day in, day out. You have to achieve amazing things. A student pursuing these specializations, when they graduate, they will, be equal to someone working in the industry. They'll have started their own companies, or they might be fit, to be hired directly as an AI engineer or scientist.
Great. Thank you so much, Sid. I won't take much of your time, but thanks a lot for having me here. I'm pretty sure this video will be really beneficial to all those people who are watching, and all the best for NST Bangalore.
Thank you, Kawach.
Okay guys, I'm almost towards the end of my campus tour here for Newton School of Technology's Bangalore campus. Like I told you guys, the campus is not fully ready yet. There are multiple changes that are yet to happen, and it will happen in some days from now. Whenever I visit next time to Bangalore, I'm definitely going to come and give you an update tour also and tell you what all new things have come up. Guys, I hope you guys have loved the tour because it was very heavily demanded on my YouTube channel. In case if you have any doubts, questions, queries, make sure you comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply. At the same time, do share it amongst your friends, family members, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys, bye.